Hello guys, this is Koushik, and today I had attempted this ibps PO mains mini mock number 3 for reasoning from practice mock, and my score is 10 out of 20 and the rank is 402 out of 2241, and the percentile I got, that is 82.1, and also the time I took, that is 25 minutes, and the topper completed in just 22 minutes, and my accuracy is 100%, but the percentile is not sufficient. This is just 82.1. At least we need to, if we get around 90 percentile to 95 percentile, then it will be okay, because the competition is very tough. So this is not sufficient to clear the exam, so we need to work hard to get sufficient marks.